So yeah, hello everybody. Now it's time to learn some cool stuff. By the way, I almost wasted my fifth, 15th day. I almost wasted. I thought that I'm going to manage my day properly, and the God have something else planned. He didn't allow me to do some things, so I thought that let it be, and I just tried my best to start the streaming, but there is something else planned. So I thought that today is my rest day, so it's time to take the rest, and I didn't made much. I just wasted my entire day, like. But yeah, just today I just thought and made everything like what exactly I have to do, all the slots and everything. So I thought let it be. I don't have a regret that because uh, instead of thinking about something else, I made my slot and everything just on the time. By the way, I wish that my video is going properly. Let me check that, because sometimes it's happening that the streaming is not good because of the internet issue, and I feel like that it's going better. It's going better. So I thought that okay, yeah, I am live. Wait, let me see the quality of the video. Yeah, now my internet is working good. Everything is visible. I am visible over here. Now I'm looking like a human being. When I was did the live streaming during the day, and I was literally looking like a zombie. And I feel like that I don't want to roast myself on the social media. So the best option is that to close the streaming, and that's why I closed the streaming, and I didn't manage in my day. Let it be. Now I don't want to spend my time with regret, so it will be the much better if I right now if I plan to what exactly I have to do. Okay, now let me think that what should I do. First I want to learn the Figma, and I don't want to learn the Figma. In Figma, just I want to make any project, and I want to save it, so it will be the better option. Okay, so first I want to make the any project on the Figma, and what I have to make, which I already decided during the day, but I didn't start it. I don't know why the Figma is not working. I came to know. Okay, yeah, hello, welcome in this channel, and currently just I'm thinking that um, right now it's almost 1 a.m., right? So within this 4 hour, what I have to do, because after this 4 hours I have a lot of assignment to complete, and I haven't completed that, and today is the last day of the submission. So anyhow, I also want to complete. I also want to learn the Figma, and after that, I will do some topics from Swift, and then I will start the assignment work. This is what my whole plan is, and yeah, let me note it down, because okay, again I'm facing the internet issue. Why exactly this is happening with me? I don't know why. Because I can see that the quality of the video is completely blurred. Damn, I literally trying my best to I literally trying to improve the quality of the video, but I couldn't able to make it. I don't know why this OBS is absorb the large amount of data, and whenever I try to connect with the cell phone, so it's just almost create the trash, nothing else. So for now, just let me think about it. What I have to do. First, I want to make the project. First, I want to make the project one. Okay, where are you from, by the way, if you don't mind? Yeah, exactly. There is nothing like to hide. I'm from Maharashtra, Mumbai. So yeah, first I want to make a mini project. Uh, the tool I'm going to use over here is Figma, and then And then after that, and second, I want to learn Swift. So yeah, this is what I have to do. First, I want to learn the. First, I want to make the mini project on the Figma, and this is what my first time that I'm going to make the project on the Figma. So what exactly the main is that from past 3 days I'm using the Figma, but still I have a lot of issues. But I thought that learning and investing at the same time would be the more better option, that I'm learning the Figma at the same time if I make the mini project, so it would be a more better. So for now, just let me open the Figma, and over there, by the way, which project should I make? That is the different problem. So okay, and second, I will learn the Swift. And yeah, by the way, in the Swift currently the function topic is started. So yeah, currently in the Swift I started the function topic. And by the way, let me know in the comment section what all of you are doing right now, and which year you are in, and what is your stack. This all of the questions I always have. So please let me know in the comment section what all of you are doing, in which year you are in right now, and what is your stack. You are in college. I'm in a new way, so I don't know. Yeah, yeah, I'm in a college. Currently, I'm doing the bachelor, and I'm in a second year. So yeah, without wasting the time, it will be the more better if I start my work. Let me decrease the size of my camera. Yes, no, 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 no. Yeah, almost done. So okay, and yeah, now I think that my screen is properly visible, right? Uh, and now I'm starting my work. So first I'm going to make a mini project on the Figma, and then after that I will do the Swift. So I have almost I will try to complete this project within a 1 hour, so it will be the more better option. And after that 2 hours for the Swift, and that's it. I have an assignment. I have a boring assignment to write it. Damn. I told my sister, I told my younger sister to write my assignment, and what she told that, how you can imagine that someone is going to write your assignment? Just try to complete it by yourself. And this is what she roasted me. I think that. So yeah, now get started. Okay, what I thought to make on the Figma as a mini project. Uh, During the afternoon, I just downloaded this image, and yes, so I came to know that the Stranger Things 5 is going to release in November, and then I thought that it would be. Thank you. So yeah, back to the topic. Yeah. So I came to know that Stranger Things 5 is going to release, right? So what I thought to make a mini project like as an announcement. See, I am confused to how to introduce the mini project because I have a lot of doubt. So first of all, in I want to open the Figma, and over there just I will give the structure, how I will manage everything. Just uh, first the introduction, right? Like the Stranger Things 5, and the second all the characters and their role, and the third will be the ending. Like Stranger Things 5 is the ending of the season, and after that, so just like over here written the volume 1 October 10 and volume 2 November 27. So with the help of this all the information, I will try to make a announcement card that Stranger Things 5 is going to become, and if somebody is first time heard about what is the Stranger Things, so they already completed their 4 seasons, and this there are the main, and also I'm going to introduce the main characters. So all of them are the point voice. Okay, first there is the Stranger Thing 5. Then what is a Stranger Thing? And see the main character, there are the two buttons. Then we will click on that buttons, and then we will enter in the next page, and the next page about the main character, just like 11. So her introduction and what kind of the power she have, and so just this is the process of my whole project. I thought that too. And so by the way, this image I downloaded from the Google, and now first I also need to search um, more images to add it, so it will be better. Stranger Things main character. Okay, now, no. Yeah, so this all are, there are many. There are many characters, but I think that the which one is best? This one, but Lucas is missing. 11 is missing. Let me choose the best one. What about this? Because there is Hopper and everyone. So I think no. Wait. Wow. This one. It's perfect, I think that. Now let me download this image. And this image I'm going to place in second card. Then first card, Stranger Things 5, and this second card. Because over here it's also not written anything like Stranger Things 4, 5, nothing is written. So this one is the best, I think. And so yeah, and one more image for the third page. Which one should I choose? I think that the no. I think that this one is best option. So let me download this image. Okay, yeah. And now and then now last image, last. Which one should I choose? Not the main character. Yeah. No, no. Wait. I'm sure that should I choose this one? I think that this image is perfect for, yeah. So now this image is perfect. Let me download this one. Save image. So yeah, now I almost have 4 images, and I think that the 4 images are enough. And let me check. Yeah. So without wasting time, let me close this and back to the topic in the iOS. Finally, thank God. During the evening, I just tried a lot to open this Figma project, but I was facing the error because we can't able to use the Figma with the help of our mobile data. And this is what first time I came to know about the Figma. Like we only able to open the project with the help of the Wi-Fi connection. Let me know is exactly true. So because I have a lot of doubt, but during that time I just didn't needed any research about this. But yeah, still I think that the connection is not good because it's taking a lot of time for loading. Damn, please don't take this much time. I literally don't have a time. Just wasting like I have assignments, but instead of writing assignment, I'm doing this all the work. So it's literally not making a sense. But yeah, it's important. Okay, you are dedicated. When do you sleep? Uh, See, first of all, new characters unlocked. What is the main? See, I already have taken a lot of break during the day, so I thought that if I see, okay, yeah, what I'm talking about, I already have. She is high on. Okay, where I am. Yeah, he was my brother. Yeah, I told him to just pass the mouse. Come on, it's still taking a lot of time. So yeah, finally now it's open. Okay, wait. Let me close the screen. So let me close the camera so it will be visible to you properly, right? And let me show you. Yeah, now I think well. Okay. Now I think that this is properly visible. So now I'm going to open the iPhone 16. So there I can able to start my work. Where is the option? Yeah. No, I want to delete this first. Let me create the new page. Let me create the new page over here, and then where's that option? Yeah. And now with the help of this frame, I'm going to I'm going to place this all the pictures which I downloaded over here. So where is the ball options? Where is the option? Wait. No, I couldn't able to get that. Let me search it. What? This is insane. No, not this one. No, I'm looking for. Let it be about this. First of all, let me fill this cover with color. Yeah. See, this is right now. This is in a white color. So what should I do? Wait. Wait. Let me read the comment. I gave an interview today. Took around. Just wait a minute. Mm-hmm. I gave an interview today. It took around 1 hour and 30 minutes long, crazy mentally exhausting. Yeah, I can able to understand that the most of, yeah, exactly. The higher level interviews are the strength are 1 hour 30 minutes. Just for 11 October, I applied for one interview, but that interview is based on the, like, I think that the most probably they going to ask me question related to the startup, like how the startup works and how anyone starting the small businesses. And also I think that that is, I can't able to call that is interview, but I can say that it's all about my own introduction. So yeah, 11 October time I have taken that, and I thought that the 11 October, that means how much days I have, 5 days, right? So I thought that within this 5 days, I want to improve myself, like the way of the communication, because the interviewer is not belongs from this country, so he was from different country, and he needed some students. Okay, you couldn't able to get it what I was talking about. Yeah, just as you started, I gave in an interview to around the 1 hour 30 minutes long, crazy. So yeah, it's exactly, it's like for what and what that exactly. So basically that like he need some new students who interested in the, like he needed some students who interested in the startup and all. So um, just he want to check it out, like I enroll it that I have some of the ideas, or maybe I can able to collect the ideas for representing the, just that he was the full stack web developer, and he was hiring the professionals who are using the AI and all. So in this scenario, just you want to know that in every country, I think that the background voice, yeah, now now I think that my voice will be proper. So just he want to know that from different countries, like different countries youth or the student from the bachelors or the just currently completed their high schools, what the startup or the small businesses ideas they have. So that's why I thought that this is the best option to introduce ourselves in the front of others. So that's why I was also enrolled for this. And the interview duration, like that, it's for 30 minutes. So yeah, 30 minutes is simple, and when you are introducing yourself, so and so it's easy to manage. But if I talk about the 1 hour 30 minutes, it's too long, but yeah, I think that your interview is based on the working purpose, right? and and the interview where I applied, yeah, exactly. And at least if any of my startup idea, or he also needs some designers who can help him for designing and all. So I thought that it would be the best option if I also share my ideas and all. So at least I can able to learn some new things, and how we can able to just see, I don't know, but this is important to connect yourself with the professions and all. So that's why I enroll it. And on 11 October there is Saturday, right? So we already having the holidays and all, so I can able to manage that timing. So yeah, I can understand that the 1 hour 30 minutes is literally a long. And by the way, now you just take a rest, okay? Because, and by the way, your, like what types of the questions they asking in the interview, if you are, if you don't mind, so if you will share this, so it will be a very helpful. Like if someone is preparing for the interview, so what the point should I keep in my mind, like just I want to know that, because there are the many videos available on the YouTube, but the real experience, or the real experience is the better. So if you give me some guidance that how any beginners can left and right. Like what is the main? Okay, now so okay, so for now this is in uh, white color, right? So let me change the color first. What if I this is in a black color? See, the border is in a black color, so this is in black color, so I am thinking to yeah, if I give this in a black color, so it will be a more better. Let me try. Okay, now for how I can just I want to place this image, this image I'm talking about, this image I want to place here, but I have a question how I can able to do that. Wait, copy the image and now I need to let me try again this image. Yeah, how I can transfer this. Let me do one thing. The video lecture which I am following to watch, it's much better if I start it again, because how she bring in this image over here. Let me try this. What's one background? How should I bring this image? Okay, let me try from here. I can stop this. Okay, now what should I do? What is the meaning? Effect style. Oh, I can add the image over here. This is not fair. Okay, super easy. Wait, wait. Not this one. No, no. Yes. Let me know how it's looking. Because now I think that the reason this is what the reason I gave in the black color, because the see the size of the this image is only this much, and now I given the black color, so there is not much difference, right? Okay, now how I can add the button over here? So let me see. Oh, what about this? No, not, not. Okay, now this is looking perfect, I think. Okay, now let's draw a rectangle. No, no, no more images. I just want to draw a rectangle. Yes. No, no. I think that now it's properly visible to all of you, right? How she made the changes. Let me see. whether this is properly placed or not. This is why I love Figma, because the working is good and not much difference. Okay, wait, I literally sorry that I haven't seen this all the comments. What are the trends? Why the Node.js and why use .NET? Okay, why the React's not Angular? Array DSC questions on the testing framework. What are the web stocks? What are there are many things which I don't know. Okay, and the difference between REST and the web, when the uses of MySQL and when not to use it, difference between MySQL versus no SQL database. Yeah, this is what the question I learned when I was doing the, like, MySQL called the relational, and MongoDB is called the non-relational. Almost a lot more, or what your favorite is it? Another fan of Stranger Things. I think that the last season they lost someone, right? Yeah, and the cool boy sister saved everyone and all. Doesn't matter now. I think that wait, not all the comments that I can able to read. I literally sorry I didn't see this all the comments. Okay, there is the question, what are you studying right now? So I'm not doing a study. I'm just making this. Wait, let me show you. I'm just making this project. This is the mini project. Nobody told me to make it, but currently I'm learning the Figma, so that's why I thought to make a one mini project. So it's almost taken the half an hour, so it's not looking like a mini. But yeah, this is the very simple project, but I am making a first time, so that's why it's taking the, you know, it's taking the too much time. But yeah, this is the very basic project. If someone is already using the Figma from many years or from many months, so maybe this is basic for them, but this is completely new for me, because just three, just 3 days ago only I started the Figma. I came to know about the Figma and I started using that. So yeah, I have seen the Stranger Thing season 1, 2, 3, 4, all of them, and now the season 5 will be released maybe November. Yeah, I think that. I don't remember now. I think to need to recap the last season quickly. Yeah, the last season is going to be come. I think that November, right? See over here it's written. With this image, I remove it from Google, and you can able to see that the volume 1 October 10 and volume 2 November 27. So yeah, this image I remove it from Google, yeah. So yeah, currently I'm just learning the UI UX. Okay, now I think that now I am audible properly, right? So yeah, okay, now I think that the voice is good now. And so yeah, over here just I added the button. Now I want to give a proper shape because it's looking too cheap, right? Because it's the proper rectangle I don't want. Just over here I want the curve. So let's do that. Yes. Okay, where I think that this one is, let me write over here 20. Let's see what's going to be happen. Cool. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Let me see. And let me place this over here properly. Yeah. Okay, good. Now see how it's look like. Mm, yes. What is this? How let how I can delete this? There is the no option. I want to delete this. Just this is I created the by mistakenly, but I don't know how to delete this. Okay, now it's time to give the color. And now I'm looking for the color option. What is this? No, I don't want to draw anything, but I just want to give the color. No, 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 not black, not black. What is this? I'm looking for color. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think how should I choose the color? But all of the red, it's looking completely cheap, right? See, there is the big difference. This is a light red, and this one is kind of dark. But I want to the mixed color, like not fully red. I want somewhere black and this kind of design. Let's see if I can able to do that or not. Let me try to change this color. What is this? Okay. And what is this? Wait. Let me see the color option. Why I can't able to make any changes in color? I don't want any. What should I do? What should I do? Let me use this. I want little bit black, and no, it's not visible. Can't able to change the color. I don't want only red. I thought that let me give over here some black or something, but let it be. Let me try this once again. Oh, yes, this is what I'm talking about. Wait, wait, wait. But let me see. Wow, exactly. This is looking amazing, right? Okay, wait, there is the comment. Uh, just wait a minute. Not a whole. Wait, let me read this comment with the help of my cell phone. Okay, how are you improving the communication and English speaking? Please tell. Please tell. I also want to improve any resource. This is important topic. This is important topic. Let me talk about this clearly. Mm-mm. Yes. So yeah, first of all, listen that if you want to learn the English, if you truly want to learn the English, so I have only one suggestion is that speak. This is what literally important to take the action. And you want to learn the English, this is super cool. And see, learning anything is possible, and only it's possible when when you take the action. And currently, the way of I'm speaking is completely beginner. You already know that because I'm also facing a lot of difficulties while speaking. But what happened with me and tried, why I'm trying to change myself, because I have seen I have faced the many difficulties while speaking the English. So that's why I thought to listen the new sentence as much you can. Follow there are the many YouTubers are available on the YouTube, so you can able to follow them. There are many thousands of the channels are available on the YouTube, so just follow them. And I can't able to give you a specific resource because it's depend on you. Just like if I talk about myself, so I'm following the Lingu Marina, so I can able to paste her YouTube channel video, so maybe it will helpful for you. But every person having some, I'm following her when I was in the ninth grade. So that's why I respect her a lot, and I just try to I try to listen. And and then I pause the video and I try to repeat it by myself. So if you think that my communication is good, so I don't believe that because it's completely beginner. Because you know when I realized that currently my scenario is not that much good. When first time when I was applying for the interview, and my all of the interviewers are the native English speaker, and they asking me the question, and I was like, I taking a lot of time to answer that. And that day I decided that I literally want to change, because this is the option I got. And so yeah, yeah, hello. Welcome in this channel. And so yeah, back to the topic right now. First of all, what I'm talking about, you know. So when I was attending the interview, and all of the interviewers are the native speaker. There are the two interviewers, and both of them are the native. And about me, so English is my third language. So that's why I'm kind of confused whenever they ask the question. I take the pause and just I think about the sentence and I worried about that if I made any mistake, so they're definitely going to laugh at me. And so I told, honestly, I just explained them everything. Just I'm trying to improve myself. I'm the beginner, I'm in the second year, XYZ, all of the excuse list of the excuse, the reason I am, what is the reason that I'm a beginner. So then what I learned, that I got the one opportunity. Yeah, exactly. I saw the playlist, but I didn't started the springboard yet because today I faced a lot of internet issues. So that's why I just thought to spend my whole day writing the college assignment, so it will be the more better. But still, my assignments are remain. So yeah, that is the different scenario. Okay. So what I'm talking about, yeah, English speaking. So then I realized that anyhow, just I want to improve my communication. So that's why I try to speak, and as much, see, whatever the sentence you are listening, try to pronounce them. And if you are making the notes, so it will be the more better option. See, let's forget about the notes. See, the practice is important. So whenever, yeah, you can able to search me on the LinkedIn. I given you my LinkedIn profile name. It's visible on the screen, right? So yeah, if the question is the how we can able to improve the communication, our communication, so it's only possible to do the practice. I know our environment is not that much supportive, but at least you need to try. And if you truly do the practice, so you're definitely going to improve. So yeah, do the lot of practice as much possible. And for now, let me back to the topic. And so yeah, so far I fear about the pronunciation. Exactly, this is the biggest problem, you know. But believe me, nobody care. See, if you think about that, everybody is caring, so you're never going to change yourself. So I fear about the pronunciation of the difficulties words. Thank you for your advice. I will follow your advice. So yeah, someone whose mother tongue is something different, and nowadays they started English. They started teaching English. So try to follow the native speakers. Try to understand whatever the words. You know what? The best advice. Most of the English news words I learned from listening the songs, and watching the watching the Hollywood movies in English. So this is what the reason I improved myself. And so yeah, if you do the practice, so you definitely going to change yourself. So yeah, try to pronounce the word. uh, See, the practice is definitely important. And right now, just I am live over here, at the same time I'm also doing my practice, you know. It doesn't matter that I'm making the mistakes. I know many time I always make the grammatical mistake, because whenever just repeat my video, I try to see that what I did it so far. So I think, oh my goodness, uh, I'm just mispronouncing this word, or maybe I also understanding that sometimes I'm making the grammatical mistake. But that is the different scenario. I'm the beginner, I know, but I have a time to change myself. So that's why I think that practice is important. Don't care about what others are thinking. Just try to talk with yourself. Just stand in the front of the mirror and just try to introduce yourself, and whatever the object is nearby you, like This is my cell phone, this is mouse. Just repeat this all of the stuff by yourself. So this is how you can able to improve yourself. And see, if you are learning the English, so at the same time don't jump for your mother tongue. Just try to think in English and try to change yourself completely. So this is how you can able to learn the uh, new languages. And this is only the way. If you think that you want to learn the English but you don't do the practice, so you're never going to make it. Wait, let me decrease the size. And by the way, how I made the changes in this color, now I completely forgotten about that. I think that I clicked here, and yes, what about this one? Mm-hmm. Yeah, enough. And okay, cool. Wow. Wow, now it's looking amazing. Now, yes, back to the lecture. And okay, now in the button, I need to add the new features. Oh, she was adding the text over here. No, no. What happened? What happened? Okay, there's the comment. Hey, how are you? Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. Just I made some mistake over here. Like, how should I make the changes right now? Like, why the color is black? First of all, let me lock this image and not this one. What is this? And reduce the size. No. What is this? Why all the sentences are going in this direction? I think I have made any changes. Let me go back and text on a path. I don't want text. Log, copy, delete. There is no how I can delete this. Why? See over here it's showing the red color, but the red color is not visible here. Why? I don't have any other option. Let me do one thing. I want to remove this. That's it. Let me remove this. Yeah, now I don't want this. I will once I will learn that how to delete this all the stuff. So I will definitely going to delete all of them and come on to go there. Now I will make the another one. Wait. Okay. Now the corner is 15. That's it. And let me bring this in mid and increase the size. Okay, now good. And for now, yeah, it was already good, but I made the one mistake, and that's why now I have to make this again. Okay, for now let me select the color and change the color, as I already thought that I want in red, not this one. Red. Yes. Now here, not from this side, and add one more, the more darker over here. Yes. And then this one till here, and the light color. Okay, done. Now now I need to add the text, right? This is, I think that adding the text is the hardest part. So for this, I'm following the YouTube lecture. This text I want to write here. Damn. Okay, now I made the same mistake. Now, why this is happening? Why whenever I'm trying to add the text, it's changing in curve, which I literally don't want. Just I want the straight text instead of, and yeah, okay. Let me write here upcoming. No, no, no. Upcoming season. No, not upcoming season. What should I write there instead of upcoming season? What should I write there? Stranger Thing 5 or maybe something else. Because this is kind of confusing. I have a doubt. What should I write there, right here instead of upcoming season? Or I think that I will write here. Let me switch on. So yeah, so far just I reached, where is this? Yeah, still here. I'm here, and let me increase the size. I'm thinking that what should I add over here, like upcoming season or what? Let me need to think about it. Upcoming season is, let me click watch now. Let me write over here watch now, or the introduction. No, not introduction. What should I write this? Summary about Stranger Thing? No. Watch now. Watch now. Writing the watch now is not the better option. But I don't have any other option, because if this is the button, so everyone is going to click it. If I will write over here watch now in the sense the Stranger Thing is 5, Stranger Thing 5 is going to come, and you watch now. Because if the someone is going to click over here, so they will enter in a different page, and the page will be show this images. So there is not making a sense to adding the watch now. Yeah, let me write over there no more. No more. K like KNOW more. Yeah, this is great. fine. By the way, where is my button? Not perfect. Let me bring this in mid. Come on. Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Now the no more is visible, right? But what about my button? What about my button? Where is that? Sorry. Back to the design mode. What should I do? Let me change the color of. I wish that it's properly visible to you, all of you, right? Yeah. Now here, I just made the one button, but it's not visible. See, it's clickable, but it's not visible. Why? I want my button back. Anyhow, I'm not understanding what is the problem is. If I remove this, where's the button? Let me remove this. One more stuff. Yeah, done. This is the sentence and this is my button. Let me recreate the button over here. Yes, and then I will change the color. Yes. What about my text? It's not visible. See, no more which I written. I want in upper upper direction. How should I manage this? Corner radius. No. What is the mean? No. What should I do now? I think that I'm making some mistake which is not visible to me, but there is mistake. This is what happen when you are beginner and you try to learn some new stuff. What is the meaning of this? Okay, I can able to change the word. This is looking amazing. I'm not a good UI UX designer. See, I'm completely beginner and I can't able to design the basic stuff. Okay, there is the comment. Hey there, remember me? Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know you. Yeah, currently just I am. Let me show you that. Currently, just I'm making this a mini project. Nobody told me to make it. I'm just making this by myself. For myself, I'm the biggest fan of the Stranger Things, so I thought that this is the right time to make some mini project and at the same time a favorite character as well. Let me do one thing. Remove this text from here. Yes. And write this here. And now first of all decorate this button. Okay. So this is proper rectangle, right? So let me make a little bit curve and corner radius 15. Okay, fine. And now let me reselect this rectangle 1 and increase the size so our no more can able to fit over here properly. By the way, the color is looking not good, so let me fix this. Add one more stuff. Okay, now over here I have a 4 color, light and just okay and enough, and this is good. Okay, now let me see how it's looking. Wow, not wow, it's beginner, but it's, oh no, I don't want to hide this. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Not spacing, alignment. Yeah, it's already aligned. Align top. What is this? Let me try. Align top. I'm clicking on here, but it's not what happened. Remove it again and see maybe there is any other option. Position, rotation. No, no, no. What is this? No, I don't want to rotate. What is this? Alignment. Alignment meaning it's already proper, right? Okay, dimension, appearance. Where is effect? No, not effect. Oh no. Let me click over here. No, don't take the risk. This is the third time I'm making the button because I just made a lot of mistake while adding the text. Okay, yeah, I can able to see the comment. I'm sorry. Wait. Bring that layer up. Bring that layer up. See on the left. Okay, over here. See on bring that the layer up. See on the left. Bring the no more tab above and the rectangle one tab. Okay. No more. Okay, bring to the front. Wait, let me try. Wow. Okay, thank you very much. Wow, it's easy. Yeah, thank you very much for this. And I wasted my 10 to 15 minutes just doing this. Okay, now, but still, it's looking very cheap. Let me, I need to add some more stuff. It's not properly arranged. Okay. Play with text. Okay. And font ing. Font. Mm, wait. Let me see here. It's not looking that much good, but I will definitely going to try to improve this. And now let me see how to add the buttons. Okay, let me add the one more. Let me add a five buttons over here. One, two, three, four, five. It will be represent that there are the five seasons, and this fifth one is the last one now. Okay, yeah, enough. This much is enough. And come here, and I need to fix this. I don't want this in proper circle. No, 10 is the better. Okay, okay, now let me add the more. Okay, and let me fix this as well because it was looking very simple, right? Let me add more colors. And it's time to fix this all. Okay, now it's looking good, and not that much good, but more than I expected. Okay, so we have one more thing that we can able to add. No, let me try from uh, wait rectangle one, and there is the option called stroke. And which color should I choose? Yellow, right. And how she did that? Okay, but it's not looking that much cool. Uh, Let me try to increase the yellow from this side. Okay, let's see. Where is this? How it's look like? I don't know. I'm not sure. But yeah, maybe it's looking better, but not that much better. Wait, I will fix this later. For now, just I want to make the one four more buttons. Wait, let me go and where is my where's my water bottle? So yeah, now I'm back. Just I went to bring my water bottle. By the way, okay, you are asking that what is the price of the Mac? By the way, this is the M2. So yeah, currently I'm using the M2. Uh, so uh, yeah, 11 months. So far, just 11 months I'm using this. So when I was taking this from offline, so it was 89,000. Okay, yeah, 89,000. Yeah. Because see, M1 feature was old as compared to M2. Uh, See, M1 and M2 having the big difference, so that's why I thought that now it's all right 2024. So that's why yeah, I know. I saw that the M1 price is 57. So I don't know the current update because after that I didn't check it. But yeah, there is the difference, in M1, M2. Now there is also M4. M2, I don't know. See, I taken this. See, there are the two options. First is online and offline. So I taken this from Chroma, and they given me in 89. Yeah, 2024. No, 25 December means almost 2025. Yes. Okay, now let's back to the lecture and okay, let me see that how I can able to copy this button and then paste it for 4 times. Let it be, no problem. Let me make another one. Same as I don't know how to copy this and paste it so it will be more easy for me, but I don't know how to do that. So instead of smart work, I'm doing over here hard work. 10, 10, 10. Okay, now time to change the color. There's deep conversations are going over here. By the way, I thought to close the live streaming right now, and I will be back at 4 a.m. because just right now I want to, first of all, I want to make a one college project, that is the mini project, as they told me to make the medical appointment login page. So wait, let me read the comment. Just wait a minute. Any good coder in your college? So that is the so drastic question. Yeah, I can say that. That's why I thought that. What if I close this live streaming and okay, then no problem. Let me back to the work so it will be a more better. And by the way, instead of wasting time, just please all of you do your work. Okay, what are you doing? I am new here. So yeah, currently I am just uh, uh, I'm making the mini project, and this is not a project that someone told me to make it. I'm just uh, So a few days ago, just I started learning the Figma. So that's why I thought that to start the mini project, and I am doing that. I thought to stop this live session, but there is very big conversation going over here right now. Okay, currently just I'm making a mini project. So let me show you. It's not a kind of big deal if you are using the Figma like very long, so you already know that it's completely basic. Just I downloaded this image from uh, Google and then place it over here, but it's completely new for me. So I thought that I'm learning, I'm following the Figma lectures. So at the same time, if I also make a mini project, so it will also help me to understand the topic properly. So that's why I thought to make a one project, but now I'm very tired, so that's why I'm stopping this project work right now. And yeah, let me copy this, and otherwise if I miss it my changes, then it was completely hard to restart it again. Okay. So yeah, for now, just yeah, many of you asking the question, right? What making on the Figma. So yeah, this is. Let me close the background voice first. So yeah, this is the mini project. Nobody's told me. I started learning the Figma because I want to learn the basic of the UI and UX. So I thought that at the same time with the lecture, if I make the mini project, so it will also help me to understand the topic properly. So that's why I'm just making the mini project. And no, nobody has given me the any promotion order. See, I'm just making this project by myself. I thought, see, there are many movies and all, right? But I think that the Stranger Thing is best. Uh, so that's why I thought that to make the Stranger Thing. I don't know others movies and all. So that's why I thought, see, any of this, if I choose, so uh, there are the peoples, they will say anything whatever they want, I don't care. I thought that the choosing the Stranger Thing is the best option, because when I thought that which project should I make, at the same time in my gallery there was this image uh, of Stranger Things. So that's why I thought, let it be, if I choose this one, so it will be a more better. And this image is looking very animated. So uh, that's why I choose the Stranger Things. I don't go very deeply. What do you think that? See, Stranger Things. This all the topics are deal by the Netflix. So I don't think so. I'm a beginner. Nobody care about the beginner. You already know that. So how you think that the Stranger Things, this all the platforms are giving me a chance to make the poster and all? This is completely insane. So I don't think so that this opportunity is going to see. I don't think so that this kind of the opportunity I'm going to get in my entire life, because I'm not that kind of good designer. They always hiring the person who know the good animations and all, and this all the basic works are done by the AI. So I think that it's kind of I'm wasting my time, but at the same time I also learning that how to add the buttons and change the color at the same time. So this is what I learning and benefits. So Okay, for now, just I'm closing this session and I will be back at 5 a.m. Uh, at 5 a.m. Yeah, I will do the Swift and then college assignment. Some 7 pages are remain, like 7 page I have to write uh, the Java assignments and all. I don't know why I'm writing the code on in page and all and not making a sense. Okay, let it be. Uh, see, exactly how anyone can going to get the promotion from Stranger Things. You already know that they all are, they all are stars. See, getting this type of the promotions, it's big thing. And yeah, okay, for now just I'm closing the session. And by the way, thanks for watching. Okay, all of you just do your work and I will be back at 5 a.m. Then I will restart, but at that time I'm going to do the Swift because I know that after coming from college I don't have the ability to do the study, because they already we are attending the college lecture and we just sitting over there, nothing else. But still, after reaching at home, we feel like that I'm feeling like that I'm did some any kind of hard work and all, but let it be, that is the different scenario. Okay, for now just I'm closing the session and thanks for watching and thank you for